In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to save as JPEG in Adobe Illustrator step by step. If you've created a logo, artwork, social media graphic, or any design in Illustrator and now need it as a JPEG file for sharing, uploading, or printing, this is the quick and easy method you need to know. I'll walk you through the entire process so you don't miss any important settings. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Adobe Illustrator. Make sure your artwork is finalized and ready to export. If you only want to export a specific artboard, double-check that your design is positioned correctly inside that artboard. This is important because Illustrator exports based on artboards when you choose that option. Now go to the top menu and click on File. From the drop-down menu, hover over Export and then click on Export As. This is the option you'll use when you want to save your Illustrator file into a different format like JPEG, PNG, or other image types. Once you click Export As, a new window will appear. Here, you'll first need to choose where you want to save your file on your computer. Select your desired folder so you can easily find the image later. Next, give your file a name. Type in whatever file name you prefer. Try to use a clear and descriptive name, especially if you're working on multiple versions of the same design. Now here's the key step. Under the File Name field, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Save as Type on Windows or Format on Mac. Click on that drop-down menu and scroll until you find JPEG. Select JPEG from the list. Before you click Export, look just below the Format drop-down and you'll see an option that says Use Artboards. If you want to export only the artwork inside your artboard boundaries, make sure this box is checked. If you leave it unchecked, Illustrator may export everything on the canvas, including elements outside the artboard. In most cases, you'll want to check Use Artboards. Once everything looks good, click the Export button. After clicking Export, another settings window will pop up. This is where you control the quality and resolution of your JPEG file. At the top, you'll see Color Model. For most digital uses like social media, websites, or online sharing, choose RGB. If you're preparing the image for professional printing and your printer requires it, you might choose CMYK instead. Next is Quality. You can drag the slider or select a quality level. If you want the best image clarity, choose Maximum. Keep in mind that higher quality means a larger file size. Below that, you'll see Resolution. For web use, 72 ppi is standard. For higher quality digital images, you can use 150 ppi. For print projects, 300 ppi is typically recommended to ensure sharp results. You'll also notice an option for anti-aliasing. It's usually best to leave this set to Art Optimized for smoother edges, especially if your design includes curves or typography. Once you've adjusted your settings, click OK. And that's it. Your Adobe Illustrator file is now saved as a JPEG image in the location you selected. You can open the folder to confirm the file is there and ready to use. Just to quickly recap, go to File, then Export As, choose your file name, select JPEG from the Save As Type dropdown, make sure Use Artboards is checked if needed, click Export, adjust your quality and resolution settings, and then click OK. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Adobe Illustrator tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.